everyone, I'm making this video just to share what happened to me, the problem I faced with my BMW X5. This is the e53. One day I was driving on the highway, then the vehicle just cut off. I tried to start, nothing was coming. When I start the engine, no click, no sound. Only the mileage was showing on the dashboard. So I put the vehicle, then I started checking the fuels. I checked the battery. Everything was okay, but the vehicle won't start. I called the mechanic, they checked, everything was okay. They suspected it was the starter motor. The starter motor was okay. Then the auto electrician says it's supposed to be the electrical problem. Then what I did, whilst I was waiting for the auto electrician to come, I checked the ignition switch. The ignition switch is located here on the steering column. When you remove these two covers, you find the ignition switch right here. I disconnected that. After I reconnected, the vehicle started. So from there, I knew it was the ignition switch that is giving me a problem. Just after that, I started having a lot of fault codes when I scanned the vehicle. But when the auto electrician came, he fixed it, everything back to normal. But now I'm still getting error code from the ABS module, which is showing like there is problem with my transmission or the transfer case. So I'll show you the codes I'm talking about just in a minute. I have IMPA here, that's what I'm using IMPA. So let's go to e53 model, then the chassis, then the DSC mode. Yeah, so I'm getting these two errors. That's the 5F1E and 5DEE. So when I Google this error, it's saying that the 5DE error saying that reduction in torque pre-control due to friction in VG. Then the other error, it has to do with its trailer snacking logic via EEPROM deactivate. So this error, they are coming from the ABS module, which is saying there is a friction in the transmission, but the transmission module is not giving an error. So what I discovered is that both of my front axles, they are on out, the spider bearing. So the axles, they are slipping. As a result, the ABS module is picking that slipping coming from the transmission, and yet it's just the front axles. And this one for trailer logic, EEPROM deactivate, I think it's something to do with electrical from what I've researched. So I'm yet to find out when I get the new ignition switch and put it. Once I repress, then I scan, I'll see if the error still appear, then it has to be electrical connection. Thanks guys for watching. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos about the repair and the reviews, car reviews and other stuff. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss when I post another video. Thanks for watching.